Hello everyone. Today we are going to apply what we know about the IR receiver module and the servo motor to make a door lock that can be controlled by the IR remote. If you have not seen the IR or the servo videos before, then we recommend you do so. The code will be simple since we mostly combine the servo lessons code with the IR receiver module lessons code. We want to design our code so that when 0 is pressed on the IR remote, the servo turns to angle 0. When we press the button 1, the servo will move 180 degrees to lock the door. All we need is the IR remote, the IR receiver with 3 F2M jumper wires, the Uno R3 board, the servo motor, the 5 M2M jumper wires, and the breadboard. We will need a breadboard for this lesson because both the IR receiver module and the servo motor need the pin that gives out a power of 5 volts. Since we cannot connect multiple wires to one pin, we will take a wire to connect it to the 5V pin. We will use that wire to connect it to the positive side of the breadboard. Then we will use the orange wire to connect the wire with the 5V to the middle of the breadboard, where 2 other red wires, one for the IR receiver module and one for the servo motor, that are in the same row. This will make it possible to distribute the 5V to both devices.
We basically took the IR receiver module code and deleted everything that had to do with the serial monitor because we don't need it in this project. In the switch statement, you may have noticed that we deleted all cases and kept buttons 1 and 0. Then we took the 2 for loops in the servo code and pasted them in the statements of each case. Note that the for loop that tells the servo to go from 180 degrees to 0 degrees goes to the second case where 0 is pressed. On the other hand, the for loop that tells the servo to go from 0 to 180 degrees goes to the first case where 1 is pressed. In addition, we added int pos equals 0, servo my servo, and my servo dot attach 9 from the servo code so that it would work. The rest are all the same from the IR receiver module code that we explained previously. So now the servo is on degree 0, which is on lock mode. When I click on 1, it will rotate 180 degrees to unlock, and when I press 0 again, it will rotate back to 0 degrees to lock. And we are done. Thank you.